Introducing AccuSize Signature Roughing End Mills. These end mills have outstanding performance on milling tough metals because they are made of M42 cobalt and TiAllen coating, which is the titanium aluminum nitride coating. Compared to high-speed steel and M35 cobalt, the M42 cobalt provides the cutters with better wear resistance, heat resistance, cutting-edge durability, fatigue resistance, etc. As a result, the tools made of M42 cobalt have longer tool life. Furthermore, the TiAllen coating provides higher resistance to heat and oxidation, so using M42 cobalt roughing end mills with TiAllen coating required significantly less cooling. Beyond, the TiAllen layer enables the cutter to work with a higher cutting speed, higher feed, and higher tool life, thus considerably improving the working process. With its multiple flute features like 4-flute and 5-flute, the end mills can help finish machining jobs from good to exceptional at an affordable cost. With M42 cobalt and the TiAllen coating, you can use the end mills to cut difficult and abrasive materials, ranging from medium to the highest hardness level machinable by high-speed steel. You can source AccuSize M42 cobalt roughing TiAllen coated end mills of fine tooth or coarse tooth. The fine tooth rougher is better for lighter cuts and hard materials and leaves a better finish to clean it up with a standard end mill. In contrast, the coarse tooth is used for deep slots or profiling when you have to take off many materials, usually in softer steels. All AccuSize M42 cobalt TiAllen coated end mills are CNC machined. The production factory achieved ISO 9002 quality management certification. Quality, productivity, and customer satisfaction are guaranteed. Additionally, we have support documents of recommended cutting speed and feed. You may find them from any listings of our M42 cobalt end mills with TiAllen coatings. One more thing, please note M42 cobalt will also be more prone to breakage due to its relatively higher brittleness. The 4-flute and 5-flute end mills are not suitable for cutting soft materials like wood and aluminium.